Hey everyone, what is up? I am Rishabh and you are watching It's All Art. Today we are going to learn how to draw and shade Eren Yeager from Attack on Titans. So let's start. Materials required for our drawing are a mechanical pencil for sketching, a cotton bud for blending, one 4B, 8B shading pencils, a 15 cm scale and a black pen. The sketching part is already done, but don't worry, this is a complete drawing tutorial, just watch till the end. Use the scale to measure the length of the eye from the picture, then mark it with pen or pencil. After that, measure the length of the eyeball and mark it. Now start drawing according to the picture. Then measure the gap between both the eyes. Now use this method and mark different areas of the face. Repeat this measuring and marking method as many times as you want if you are a beginner. This will help you to understand the distance and gap between every part of your drawing much better. And also I will recommend you to use a printout as this method is quite hard if you use your phone because you have to adjust the picture accordingly. Use black pen for covering the darker areas of your drawing. Now use 8B pencil for shading the hairs and cotton bud for blending. Use 4B pencil for the eyes and blend it. Again, use 4B pencil for shading the darker part of the face. And use cotton bud for blending. If you like our video, please subscribe and press the bell icon.